There are two main ways of installing apps on the Galaxy A27. One is the Google Play Store. So if you go into the Google Play Store, which of course you have to be signed in with your Google account, then you can simply go to the search function and look for any app, find it, and install it. So that's one way to do it. Another way you can install apps is from the Galaxy Store. So you can also go to the Galaxy Store, sign in with your Samsung account, and then you can now use the search function to search for any app. Okay. Now, once you find the app you want to install, so let's say that app is this one right here. So once you find the app you want to install, you simply need to tap on the install button, and that should get the app installed onto your phone. So those are the two main ways of installing apps. Now you can also sideload APK files. So APK files are basically Android apps which are not available in the Google Play Store or in the Samsung Galaxy Store. Now, to sideload an app, you need to first of all download it onto your phone and then navigate to where it's been downloaded. Usually, that's going to be in the downloads folder. For instance, this is an APK file. So any Android app that's not in the store will appear on your phone as an APK file. So to install it, just tap on it, and then once you grant the permission required, once you grant the permission required, in the settings, so just go there and allow permission to install from that location, then you will have the option to install, and you can tap on the install button and that app is going to get installed. Of course, you have to disable auto blocker for this phone to do that. Now I have a whole dedicated video on how to install APK files, so I'm going to link it down below in case you want to check that out. Thanks for watching and good luck.